In this episode of Cooking with Chris, we're going to make a traditional sausage stuffing. Or dressing, actually, since we're not stuffing anything except our faces. Start off with a pound of your favorite ground breakfast sausage. Get that broken up and nice and brown. We'll need some chopped celery and onions, so go ahead and chop those up while the sausage is cooking. And then once the sausage is fully cooked, go ahead and remove it from the pan, add about 3/4 a stick of butter, and get that melting over medium heat. Add your chopped onion and celery and season. Salt, some rubbed sage, and pepper. Once they start to become a little tender, add 2 cups of chicken broth, and if you like, some dried cranberries. Stir and bring it up to a full simmer. When it comes up, kill the heat and add a package of your favorite stuffing mix, not the kind in the red box. Carefully stir up all the breadcrumbs, and you want to keep on doing that until you don't see any liquid at the bottom of the pan. Get the sausage from earlier, stir that in, and put it in an oven-safe dish. Cover it with foil and bake 350 for about 30-40 minutes. This recipe for traditional stuffing with sausage makes a great side dish any time of the year, but it's also perfect for the Thanksgiving table. Thanks for watching Cooking with Chris. Give the video a like and subscribe for more recipes and tips. Enjoy.